Okay, so this video is going to quickly go over the bureaucracy project. So the directions say for this project, you will create a Google Slides presentation concerning one element of the federal bureaucracy. You will choose one federal agency, and if you look at the assignment, you will see an attached list with some different options to research and detail in your presentation. So you're going to pick an agency and you're going to create a Google Slides presentation about that agency. If you want to research an agency that's not on the list, please see me and just double check and make sure that it's fine to do that agency. So you will see a couple of stars here. So it says you may work alone or with a partner. So you can work by yourself or with a partner, but that means groups of no more than 2. So please do not ask me to work in groups of 3 on this project. However, if you are an in-person student, your partner needs to be in person. If you are virtual, your partner needs to be virtual and in your same class period. So if you are in my 4th period class, even if you are virtual, that means that your partner needs to also be in my 4th period class and be virtual, okay? So this would be the same as if we were doing these projects in class. I would give you the option to do it with a partner, but it needs to be someone in your class. Both group members will need to turn in a copy of the presentation on Google Classroom so that I can grade it. Your Google Slides presentation should include the following: the name of the agency, what type of agency it is. So is it an independent regulatory agency, an independent regulatory commission, independent executive agency, a government corporation? So what is it? The year it was created, an official logo or symbol, the agency's budget for the most recent fiscal year. So for some, you'll be able to find information on 2019. For some, you might only be able to find information on 2018. The role of the agency. So what does this agency do? What type of laws does it regulate? So for example, if you were doing the EPA, they're regulating the environment, okay? So how do they do that? What role do they play? 7, include at least 3 fun facts about the agency. So this could be any kind of information that you find that you want to share. Find a current event story regarding this agency and summarize why the agency was in the news. Okay, so for example, if you were doing the CDC, you could talk about how the CDC has been involved with the coronavirus pandemic. And then include a works cited slide with at least 3 resources. Okay, so make sure that you're getting your information from good, reputable resources and at least 3 different resources. So your rubric is that it includes all of the information listed above, so 1 through 9, including the role of the agency, its budget, fun facts, and a current event. So that's worth 20 points. You include your works cited page with at least 3 resources, 10 points, and your presentation is neat, organized, and creative. So I want it to include pictures, charts, any kind of visuals, okay? Make it look nice, and that will be worth a total of 10 points, okay? So in total, this project is worth 40 points.